recently did a video with Raymond where we went in and our goal was to find the best PUBG car, but using Forza Horizon 3. And it was really awesome. It's one of my favorite challenges we've done in a very, very long time. If you haven't watched it yet, go watch it. I'll link it down below. In that video, one of our challenges, we ended up driving all the way through the jungle. And when we were driving through the jungle, Raymond and I were just yelling at each other and making fun of each other. And basically, long story short, when I was doing that, I said, hey Raymond, did you ever watch that video that I did where we played hide and seek in the jungle? It was a massive headache trying to find everyone. And then ever since then, I was like, well, we've done a lot of hide and seek in the cities and stuff, and we've done a lot of hide and seek in Forza 7, but what if we do hide and seek at Blizzard Mountain? So I was thinking, what if we all try to go in and get in cars that basically look like this guy's, and try to get cars that will blend in with the snow, and then do that. So you guys can use any car you want, any class you want, and we're just gonna play a good old-fashioned game of hide and seek. Ooh, the Vulcan. I mean, that's very brave, because you do have a black roof and a big orange stripe down the side. And as you are showing us, you can spit flames, which is probably not gonna be an advantage. Same goes for you, sir, with your Monster Energy and your GoPro stickers. Probably not the best solution for hiding. See, this guy knows what he's doing. Look, he's got the biggest rims. They are all white. That's a smart car to take. I wonder who has that smart car. Oh, is this DJ? Oh, it is DJ. I should have realized it was DJ. Like, it's such a smart call making your wheels like that and then filling them with just white to try to blend in. Like, that is very, very smart. These guys have done the same thing, but I don't think they made their rims bigger. The thing with Blizzard Mountain in Forza Horizon 3 is that the Blizzard Mountain area is quite open. There is not very much room to hide. So what I am going to say, Twitch chat, is I am going to say anything south of the big lake here, the big frozen lake, is okay. So basically draw a line through the lake that's completely horizontal. I get it, horizon. That's completely straight along here, and you can hide anywhere below. So anything under here is all good. It is going to take me a very, very long time to search the area, but I'm going to give myself 15 minutes. I think it's going to be an interesting thing. Maybe one time we'll do one above the mountain. I don't know. We'll have to see. You all get a minute to go and hide. Feel free to go and do so. All right, let's find people. Oh my god. How the hell am I going to find anyone? I bit off more than I can chew. Why is there a blizzard? I'm never gonna find anyone. See that guy who said I'm gonna find 2 people? Turns out you were quite optimistic when you said I'm gonna find 2. Rules for hide and seek, by the way, once you found your spot, there is no running. I just need to spot you and that's it. Yes! The blizzard's gone! Yes! I can actually see things. There are a hell of a lot of hills and like a hell of a lot of ridges to hide behind. Which once again is going to make this even more difficult than I originally thought. I'm trying to drive along the road. I'm trying to do this sort of like systematically. Again, if you guys could let me know if I leave the area, that would be great. It's like, I think the lake is over there. See, I thought there would be a lot of people like hiding out in the city. Like trying to like either blend in or whatnot, but may have to do a little bit of reducing. We're gonna play the PUBG. We're gonna play PUBG. We're gonna make a blue zone. New strategy. The city is too populated, or the city's too obvious of a choice to go and hide. So maybe people were like, okay, I'm not gonna hide in the city because it's a very obvious choice, or it's a very easy place to go and look. I got you, bro! Your active your camo worked very, very well. But I just spotted your headlights out of the corner of my eye. Well played on that spot, though. Alright, so if you just want to park at the festival, that would be great. Or just go drive around, like, at the north of the mountain. See, now that Tesla... 2 guys! Found the little Ford RS RX GoPro car. Yeah, your paint did not help you there, buddy. I'm sorry. DJ's like, I'm hoping for another blizzard. Hey-oh, buddy! Yeah! Sweet. All right, we've got 3 people. Look, this is good now for me. If I can see like this for the rest of the game, I think I will do okay. But it's just so difficult. Yeah, I definitely bit off more than I can chew here. Like, how crazy. Hey, there they all are. The 3 guys I found. Oh, man. No! No, a blizzard is coming in! This is stupid! How am I gonna find anybody? I can see maybe 100 feet in front of me. Oh, wait. Headlights are on in the winter. Or when blizzard comes in, when a blizzard comes in, headlights turn on. See, this I did not know. This is good. Hello? No. Sign in the distance. No! Yes! The blizzard's pissed off. Okay. Now I need to go gadget, find everyone. Oh my god. I'm gonna need to fast travel to everyone to find where they were. Actually, you know what we're gonna do? No, we're gonna do PUBG. We're gonna start reducing the zone. After my 15 minutes, we'll reduce the zone down. Buddy? Buddy? I saw that, buddy. Hey, buddy. That's 4! Finally! Finally, we have 4 people. The Nissan Titan getting the sin bin, bro. Everyone keeps freaking out whenever there's a stupid blizzard in this game. Everyone's just like, yes! I'm like, no! It's actually impossible, though. Wait. Oh my god! What a spot that 4GT is in. That is crazy. I didn't even know I hit him. When I hit him, I saw his brake light and I was like, okay. And then I crashed into him. I was like, okay. And then I was like, oh shit, that's a person. 5 out of 11. Oh my god. Wow. Alright. And it's sunny again. Yes. The city's huge. The city doesn't look this big on the map. It's only when you drive around it you figure out how big the freaking place is. It's like I have to do a complete circle around every building. Because everyone's going to be so well camouflaged. Alright. My 15 minutes is up. What I'm going to say is everybody has to move to the east, like to the right-hand side of the festival. So if you are okay, I'm gonna go on the festival, and basically you're gonna need to drive, or you're gonna need to be in front of me somewhere. So if you need to find a spot, go in front of me. If you need to move, you don't need to move, but if you do need to, feel free. So we've reduced the zone down. We've done the PUBG rules. I'm gonna give myself another 5 minutes to see how many people I can find. I believe I was at 5 out of 11. So there's still 6 people hidden somewhere around the map. Let's go. 5 minutes. If we need to reduce the space again, we will do so. DJ did make a good point in Twitch chat before. He wanted the blizzards to come in to hide his tracks. So tracks are something I should be looking for as well. I've only just realized that. So I should definitely look out. It looks like another blizzard's about to come in though. Which I don't know if blizzards cover tracks. But it's like, man, how am I gonna find anybody? Oh, there's another blizzard. I thought I've hit someone. I was like, what the hell? That's where I found that guy before. Oh. Never mind. Apparently there was another one of these spots. Hey, Mr. Tesla. Peace out, buddy boy. 6 of 11. DJ says I passed him twice. Because, like, I've seen them a lot. I'm looking for headlights and taillights. Yeah, that is what I am looking for right now. But in the blizzard, it makes it so hard to see, like, even with headlights on, it's like you cannot see from very far. Basically, I'll be honest, what I'm doing is I'm trying to, like, oh, it just looks like white on my screen. It's like, what I'm doing is I'm just trying to find places where I would be like, oh, that's a good spot. I would hide there. And then I'm, like, investigating that. That's how I found that Tesla and how I found that Ford GT. Using headlights right now is useless. Like, I can barely see anyone. Like, look, as soon as we get, like, a little bit of distance, they're just gone. I honestly don't know how I'm expected to find everyone. We're gonna get to the final circle, and it's gonna be like, everyone's just prone. Fuck, it's already been 5 minutes! Okay. We're limiting the zone again. To the right of this thing. The big ski lift. You see the big ski lift? It should be on your map if you're able to pause the game. Everyone go that way. To the right-hand side of me. Or, like, to the right. So stay below the lake and to the right of this. So we're shrinking the gap again. 5 more minutes to find everyone before we reduce the zone again. Without a doubt, the hardest. The absolute hardest hide-and-seek game ever. Are you guys all just parked next to each other? Just having a big party? You all watch me just drive around the map aimlessly? Anyone over here again? No? You guys realize that spot didn't work out. He's just making funny faces in Twitch chat. Ah, I'm going back! Steve wrote close. I'm going back! They're taunting me. This is personal now. No blizzard, no blizzard, no blizzard. Ah, where? That's been another 5 minutes! How am I Here's what I've decided. I've lost! Where the hell is everyone? Alright, please do not move from your spots. He was right there. He was right there. He was right there! Where? Where? I need more cars. That should be the thumbnail for the video. Just DJ hidden. Ah! I would have never found him. I would have never, ever, ever found him. There were so many people I didn't find, though. All right, X928 was over here somewhere. He was down here. All right, I should have been able to find that one, to be honest. I mean, the Vulcan is a good choice because it has very small headlights and taillights. Wolf's and Steve are both over here. They're both in the town. There's Steve. Oh my god. What a spot from Steve. Okay, GG. Who else was here with Steve? Oh, I guess the other guy who was with Steve was not in an actual place. Fireprof Cargo also managed to avoid me. Fireprof Cargo was in the middle of all of this. Yeah, unless I would have driven through that, I never would have found him. That's the thing! It's impossible! I was looking on roofs legitimately. Oh, wow. Just hiding, like, between trees is by far the best spot to be. I should have found so many people. But it's like, you look at these spots, they're not great spots. But the problem is that there's so much area to look in. That is so crazy. You guys had such amazing spots. That was, to be honest, the hardest game of hide-and-seek we've ever done. But it was like, I was not expecting there to be so many spots. Well, on that note, I'm gonna leave it there. That was good. That was very good.